Hi, uh, once again, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So, for today, I want to take you through a three-bedroom bungalow with open kitchen. So, if you're looking for a modern, simple, and functional home design, so this plan or house plan, sorry, this house design with open kitchen could be perfect choice for you. So in this video, we're gonna explore more of this beautiful home. From the outside, it features a clean and a modern architectural design. The front porch provides a welcoming entrance to the house and also creates a small outdoor sitting area with large windows and doors uh, that are designed to allow natural lighting and proper ventilation inside the house. Once you enter the house, you're welcomed by a spacious lounge area designed for relaxation and entertaining guests. Next to the lounge, we have the dining area, which connects directly to the kitchen. The open kitchen design creates a modern feel and allows interaction between the kitchen and the living space. It also helps makes the house feel large and more connected. Kitchen cabinets and a breakfast counter can also be included to improve both functionality and style. In the kitchen, uh, it is designed that it also include a pantry which provides additional storage for the food, stuffs, and other kitchen items. So it keeps the kitchen organized and efficient. Uh, when we move to the bedrooms, this features three comfortable bedrooms designed for family living. The master bedroom is en suite, meaning it has its own private bathroom, enough space for wardrobes. So the other two bedrooms are well sized and share a common bathroom and a toilet. Uh, this bungalow with open kitchen provides a modern living experience while maintaining simplicity and affordability. It is very popular choice for families building on a 50 by 100. This design combines comfort, functionality, style, making it an ideal home for modern family living. So, if you need, sorry, if you need any of our house designs, house plans, professional construction services, feel free and reach us out. Sorry, reach us out on 0724481087 or 0728921765. Or you can also email us at info@westkenyarealestate.com. Also, don't forget to subscribe and like our videos. West Kenya Real Estate Limited, building your dream home. Thank you. Have a lovely day, evening, depending on what time you're watching us from. Bye.